Welcome to Cole Motorsports, the distributors of the Racing Optics Windshield Tear-Off. Cole Motorsports currently services the leading racing series throughout the United States, from Nextel, Busch, and Craftsman to Grand Am and Rolex. To properly install the tear-off, these tools must be used. A spray bottle filled with a 40-to-1 ratio of water to non-detergent soap. 1 part soap to 8 parts water. A hard squeegee to be used to expel water from underneath the laminate. A polyurethane squeegee to be used to expel water from the laminate. A razor blade knife to trim the tear-off when sized. These kits are available from Cole Motorsports. Cole Motorsports offers 2 types of tear-off systems. One is a single layer, the other is a 4-layer. The advantages of these systems are not only clear vision, but they also offer a degree of protection from abrasion and rock chips. The first step of the application process is to test fit the tear-off. After laying the tear-off across the windscreen, scribe the tear-off lightly with the razor knife. Then, after your sizing lines are made, take the tear-off to another area to trim it to size. Remember to angle the blade to the inside to give the tear-off a chamfer cut. After sizing is done, test fit the tear-off to make sure your cuts were correct. Next, thoroughly clean the windscreen. Use the urethane squeegee to dry the windscreen to eliminate lint from the application. After cleaning, take the tear-off and remove the release liner. Then, thoroughly soak the tear-off with application solution of soapy water. Once the tear-off is wet, apply the tear-off to the windscreen. Once the tear-off is in place, begin to squeegee from the center out using the urethane squeegee. Then switch to the hard squeegee with a paper to fold over it to prevent scratching the tear-off and expel the remainder of the water from the tear-off. A heat gun may be used to lay down any part of the tear-off that may not mold well. Make sure you blow the air into the tear-off and not on top of it. Once done, the application is complete. In order to tab the tear-off, it is necessary to separate the individual layers of the tear-off. This is done using a razor knife. Once you separate the first layer, you use tape to keep the layers separated. Once each layer is done, you should start from the back and trim each tab so that the front tab is longer than the last one to prevent the chance of pulling off 2 layers at once. Congratulations and thank you for using the Cole Motorsports Racing Optics Tear-Off System.